personal pain takes your name and your dreams lie dead in the dust. When everything you work for is gone, there's no one left you can trust. You need a place, you need a space to get away from your past. A place to share, someone to care, to learn to love that lasts. So come on in, find a friend to help you on your way. Pull up a chair, find his care. We'll be here every day in his place, his place.
Oh, no, Adele, there's plenty of customers. I just mean there's nothing exciting going on. You know, Jeff left Meredith, and then Meredith is living with Robin, and blah, 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 you know. And I just feel so blah. I mean, you know, if there isn't anything exciting going on the diner, how can I possibly tell my patrons, my special customers, you know, the things they need to hear from me? I mean, well, what kind of a diner would it be if they didn't have all of my little sayings to go to them? I mean, you know, they all just love all that beautiful, wonderful tidbits of information that I give them. It livens up their diner experience. Well, of course I'll call you with any details. That's what.
You haven't heard the rumors or anything, huh?
No, it's...
Darling, I think you need to go to table 12. They need more napkins. Hurry up, dear. Luigi Salsa's a little runny today. And, well, don't keep the customers waiting. Finally, we're alone.
It's a diner full of people, Suzanne. What do you mean we're alone?
I guess you're right. I just really hadn't noticed. You know how the world just seems to go away when you're with someone that you care about so much.
You dating somebody new?
Well, no.
Well, that's good.
I knew that you would understand.
Oh, I do. You know, I mean, after you have a traumatic breakup, you need some time alone to kind of assess the situation and just look back on things.
Time alone.
Yeah.
I guess you're right. But how long does this assessing thing last?
Well, you know, it's different for everybody. Some people could be weeks, some months. Some people takes years.
Years?
Oh, yeah. And some people, the really sensitive ones, like yourself, that could take a lifetime.
A lifetime?
Yeah, I mean, look at you. It could take all of that and maybe some more. You know what? In fact, I think maybe I should just leave you alone to chill out with yourself and look back and just
you don't have to
be
leave.
by yourself.
I mean,
I think you need
I like to have someone around while I'm being by
you
myself.
take the time for you, Suzanne, really.
No, you're not your usual happy, chipper self.
I don't know. I guess I just don't understand why people do the things they do.
Well, I can understand exactly what you mean. I mean, just like Charles and I mean, we had a wonderful thing going until he screwed up and then we broke it off. I mean, you know, he ruined it.
Did, Jeff and Meredith have a good relationship?
Oh, dear, I never thought so. Personally, I thought that he would have always left her. You know, he's just that kind. I'm very perceptive about these things.
You don't think Robin... I don't think I should tell you.
I think that you can feel free to tell me anything. I'm kind of like the diner therapist.
That's not what Joe says.
What does Joe say?
Well, he says you're the diner gossip.
I most certainly am not the diner gossip. Why, I care about everyone here as if they were my family. We're the best of friends. And, well, all I want to do is help them. So if there's anything that you need to tell me about Robin and Meredith, they would want me to know so that I could help them through this time of trial and tribulation.
Excuse me, sis. I think I told you to go set up the solarium because we've got a whole group of folks coming in.
Matt can do that.
No, Matt can't do that because we just got some folks that came in and I need him to wait on those folks.
Oh,
Okay?
right.
See you, sis. Come on, Matt.
I have a feeling that they had a phenomenal, large fight, and, well, nobody wants to talk about it around here. God forbid we should gossip. But I'm going to get it out of him. If it's the last thing I do, wring it out of that little boy there, well, he knows things that I don't know, and that's certainly not fair. Yeah, and don't worry, dear. I'll let you know all about it. Well, of course I know you're as concerned as I am about the people in this diner. I mean, that is the reason why we're best friends. I know. But I'll find out all the juice.
His place.